We can change your password in your account, in your TradingView account, just in few minutes. This will be an easy and quick tutorial. So let's get started. So all you have to do, you just need to open your home page, your TradingView account, and go to your home page and click over here on your profile picture and click over here on profile setting. Okay, and you will be directly in this page over here. Scroll down and you have here, this information will not be public. As you can see, these are your personal information, so you should see your email, your password. So click on change password like this, and there you go. They will send a link to your email, and you just need to follow this link, and there you can change your password and put new password, and that's it. Super easy and simple. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next videos.